Hi guys, welcome to my video. And now I have a brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max green, and it's in 256GB of storage right now with me. And now I'm just going to unbox it and have a simple look at this phone. Yeah, because this phone is for my wife and she just like the green color. Yes, and it's in the 256GB of storage. Now I'm going to open it up. Oh, this feeling is awesome. Just wait aside. And yes, in a green color, it's so beautiful. Look at this color. Right now I'm using my Note 10 Plus to video this. Wow, so gorgeous looking phone. Okay, let's put this phone aside. And now we have this, designed by Apple in California. And just blah 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 hello. Okay, just the Apple logo and just the SIM tray ejector. Okay, just put this aside. And now there's a ear pods with the Lightning connector and a USB-C to Lightning cable charger. Comes with a 18-watt fast charge. Okay, now look at this phone. Oh, so beautiful. And this phone has a 6.5 inches Super Retina OLED display, and it has a 558 ppi density. And the back is a glass, and then the side is a stainless steel frame, and just here's the matte finishes. Just gorgeous. Look at this phone, but then just a bit on the heavier sides. Yeah, it weighs a 226 gram. Just that when you use it for a while, you feel a bit of the aching your hand and couldn't use one hand to scroll up and down. Okay, and this is a volume button and the silent mode here, and it runs under iOS 13 and it comes with 4 gig of RAM. And now this phone is a 256GB of storage, and it comes with a 64 base storage. So for me, I think I just get a 256 way better rather than 64. Of course, you have to get with the iCloud to store all your stuff inside. It's definitely not enough for me. Okay, just take a look. Oh. I'm going to paste it with a screen protector later on, and just on this phone right away. And then behind there's a triple camera with a wide camera, the telephoto, and the ultra wide lens with a 2x optical zoom. And this phone comes with a 3.5mm jack, so I have to pair it with my AirPods Pro. Yeah, definitely you have to pair it. Oh, this phone is very gorgeous. Okay, just set it up. Okay, hold on. Okay, password's wrong. Okay, got. So it take a few minutes to activate the phone. Okay, it's quite nice looking, but then I hope the next iPhone will be much lighter. Yeah, it's on the heavier side. And for me, I just think that I prefer iPhone SE because of the home button. So if you guys like have some cash to spend and can just go for this 11 Pro Max. If not, just go for the regular iPhone SE with a home button itself. Okay, that's all for today. Hope to see you guys soon.